Next up is the comparison operators. So as you can see, I've already done this before because I did the whole recording with that. All right. So a comparison, you've got less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, is equal to, and is not equal to. What gets a little confusing is that you have three things here, and you don't have a dual equal equals and a not equals. Those are actually also comparison things, but they also are not comparing types, and so that's where type coercion comes into play. I think greater than equals is that might work. I actually don't know. Let's see. All right, no, it doesn't. Okay, so this is all type safe, and so this is comparing numbers to numbers. It will not work between strings, it will only compare two alike types. So yeah, that's what these things are saying. If you only have two, then it will be doing some type coercion. So a string of 0 compared to a number, like if you do if 0 equals 0, this will actually say this is equals, else console.log this is not equals. So if I run this, it'll actually log here. Okay, this is equals. But if I add another one, this is not equals. So this is just where type safety comes into play in JavaScript. Just use 3, and so you're not dealing with weird type issues. And that's where TypeScript can also help. So using let, create a hunger level, set it equal to 7, and then you are making sure that is greater than or equal to, which I already changed some stuff to showcase what's going on, is greater than 7, and run it. And notice how it says we can eat later, because hunger level is equal to 7, not greater than 7. So it goes into this code block. Okay. And you're going to have some fun changing what stuff is. Okay. So basic comparison operations and introduction into a little bit of type safety inside of there. So my general rule of thumb, especially when you're using TypeScript, it'll basically force you to do this, is to utilize the 3, don't use 2. So same thing with the dot equal or bang equals, and equals, those will do type coercion. Okay, it'll basically turn certain types that are not numbers, and we'll try to force them into the type that you're comparing it to. So, and there are lots of memes around type coercion in JavaScript. It's actually kind of funny. So yeah, comparison operations.